this video, we're going to discuss how we build the triangle in order to find alpha and to find theta, and then also incorporate our 6 trig functions. So I'm going to start with saying, okay, let's sketch theta of 150 degrees. Again, we know on our coordinate that this is 0, here's 90, here's 180, here's 270, and here again is 360. So if I'm sketching my angle, 150, I'm going to go around 90, and I'm going to go around another 60. So if I sketch in and build my little triangle here for my theta angle, okay, my theta is this angle here, which we're saying is 150 degrees. Now, alpha is going to be the angle that is formed with my x-axis. So this is alpha. So we would say here that alpha is going to be 30 degrees, because if this is 150, we go all the way around to 180. That makes a 30-degree angle. Now we have formed a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now, we know our ratio of a 30, 60, 90 triangle. We talked about that in geometry class. So 30, opposite the 30 is going to be the 1, hypotenuse is 2, and this is going to be a radical 3. Now this is going to be a negative radical 3, looking at our coordinate plane here. Now, if I want to find the sine of theta here, so again we're finding the sine. Sine we know from, again, going back to geometry class, SOHCAHTOA. We know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite 1 over hypotenuse is 2. So the sine of theta is going to be 1 over 2. If I list then my cosecant of theta is going to be the reciprocal, which is 2 over 1, or just simply 2. Okay, let's go down to the cosine of theta. Cosine of theta, remember, is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Well, the adjacent is negative radical 3 over the hypotenuse, which is 2. If I find the secant of theta, again, remember that is the reciprocal. So if I take the reciprocal of that, that is going to be negative 2 over radical 3, which simplifies, if I rationalize the denominator, gives me negative 2 radical 3 over 3. Tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent is 1 over negative radical 3, which again, if I move the radical to the top, I get negative radical 3 over 3. And then last but not least, the cotangent of theta, which the cotangent of theta, again, take the reciprocal, and I just get simply negative radical 3. And that takes you through finding the 6 trig functions of this special angle theta 150. Okay?